Namaste. I'm Jyoti. I'm the founder director of Ajanta Vihara Institute of Spiritual Sciences. Let us start this healing journey together.
We all want to know what future holds for us. We all hope that it will be a good, happy, and abundant one. I am not here to predict your future. I am today going to help each one of you, irrespective of what zodiac sign you belong to. Help understand how you can have abundant reality at any given point of time. Planets will do what they have to do, but you also have to do what you have to do. Starting this new year, we have been slowly inching our way out of the darkness. Some of you might have experienced it, and some of you might not be even aware of it. According to my energy mapping for all zodiac signs, this new zodiac cycle starting in April 2024 is centered around personal growth. While this may sound easy, however, these challenges present unique opportunities for nurturing yourself, loving yourself, and being kind to yourself. Starting in April 2024, remember, April 2024 is important month for the shift. Each zodiac sign is going to embark on a unique journey filled with possibilities, challenges, and growth opportunities based on the position of the planets and stars. But most importantly, based on how much you feel you are worthy of the abundance. Through all the ups and downs, good and bad, what can help you keep yourself grounded, positive, and in high frequency vibrations are the affirmations I'll be sharing with you in this video for each of the zodiac signs. So stay tuned in till the end. Start using these affirmations as your bedtime rituals. Do 10 counts of deep breathing and then read out affirmation to your specific zodiac sign for your zodiac sign at least 3 times and then sleep. Your subconscious will slowly start to get programmed to these as commands. The moment you will sleep, your subconscious will start aligning everything to these vibrations of the affirmations that you will be using this April. Do it for the whole month of April. You will definitely feel and see the shift happen. You can also continue to do it beyond it. You can do the whole 90-day cycle for your subconscious to get reprogrammed into this being your new reality. If you want 2024 to be the best year yet, filled with love, abundance, and exciting opportunities, then make sure you practice these simple yet very powerful affirmations to manifest your happy, abundant, and life-filled reality. Fourth zodiac sign, Cancer. This new zodiac cycle reminds you, Cancers, to put away the safety blanket and make meaningful strides towards your long-term goals. Take some calculated risks, Cancers. Try stepping out of your comfort zone. Affirmations that work for you this April, Cancers. First, I'm capable of achieving my goals. Second, I am worthy of success and prosperity. Fifth zodiac sign, Leo. If you have any behaviors that are attracting the wrong type of crowd, Leos, which is making you accidentally push away the people who bring the best out of you, then it is time for self-reflection. It is time to let go of your ego, as this will help you avoid future confusion and will help you also align desired clarity about what is best for you. Leos, affirmations that work for you this April. First, I'm confident in my abilities. Second, I am resilient and capable of overcoming challenges. Fifth sign of the zodiac, Virgo. In this new zodiac circle, Virgos, start releasing the need to make your value systems heard and understood. Direct your attention intuitively to understand the people around you. You can't control the world. Don't even try to. But you can dictate who you allow to be in your space. Virgos, affirmations that work for you this April. I am embracing change and growth. That's your first one. Second, I am surrounded by love and support. When you say this, feel it. Close your eyes, feel, believe, and then say,